MD Alimuddin former Chief Minister Memorial Public Charitable Trust Nasu Sinduna Mama Leibakki DAMAKTA THAWAINA PONTHA PIKHRABA ATHOUBA singi NUMIT PALAN THOURAM NGASI LILONG TUREL AHANBI LEIBA LEIKHIDRABA ex Minister Alimuddin ge YUMDA PANGTHOKKHRE matam kuina Mama Leibak ningba ATHOUBA singbu ningsingbagi PALAN tauhandana lakpadagi manipurna AHANBI statehood fanglaba matungda lamdamasigi AHANBI Chief Minister oikiba ex Minister Alimuddin na athingba kayabu Tumoy duna amuk hanna athoba singi NUMIT PALAN tawkibabu ningsingbagi thoram loinana pangthokkiba thoram aduda Vatican Raje Thangal General ex Minister Alimuddin amadi LEIKHIDRABA ex MP YUMNA miyamigi photo da leisu katuna ikai kumna butki thoram aduda former Minister Ojoy Singna Chief Guest former Minister Alhaj MD Alauddin President MPTC Pangai gi Assistant Director Alhaj MD Abul Kalam MPS and Special Guest LILONG Thobal Municipal Council gi caretaker Chairperson Mistress IBM Cha Modern College gi Principal Dr. Rehejuddin Sheikh, Directorate of Ayush Lamphelgi Joint Director Dr. Nazia Hassan, Nonegi SDO BDO MD Juwe Rahman, Water Resources and Fishery Department gi Joint Secretary MD Ismat Khan, Amadi Retired Librarian Alhaj MD Syed Ahmad na Guest of Honor Sing Oina Sarukyaki.
Manipur da Project Laiba Thangal General Amsung BT Kendadi Mongkamda Akoi Pan Manipur yu Lake Natraga RK Modusna hogi family na sum karigumba khare amna danai wena katpana tana kanam tana khong na mado aikoi gi katpa ya bagi THOURAM lemde arubu laibuk phabadagi haibatai dikhim sampan umbudran ni thoida Muhammad Alimuddin Lusingba mauna Lusingba Chief Minister ba United Legislature Fund ki government runa hariba 13 August se Masai da mahangna 13 August hariba numit se masi shuti lakphoga lei katki lei katpagi THOURAM do madu torba kanda madu ki Bharat ki Home Minister na aikoi hariba aikoi dikenerji Thangal General aduga Manipur ki athoba singi mongumda lei shukatna madu aikoi kari haini Leisu kapagi THOURAM pangthokpadu yaroi henu thingi koi mayam puna mang tari baduni aru ai makti madam daina kaabasi 1974 da kaabani madu 72 gi August ki tang tarom doidani aduga detail madu gi sendudi ai makti ubanate adubo akoina loina bada akoina ngasi ATHOUBA Tikendraji Thangal General Manipur ki ATHOUBA mayam Aikoina Irat Puja Taubada THOURAM Masibu Haudomiba Muhammad Alimuddin Amasung Numit Aduda Akoi function the preside Tauhiba YI Masing Akoi Matamrugi Art and Culture Minister Moin Kotena Wari Shabada Akoi Mongon the Matamadugi Governor Si Kanone BK Nehru ni Aduga Chief Minister Chief Secretary na Krishnarati ni Aduga Matamadugi DGP nate IGP Manipur si matam da IGP Inspector General of Police amna adugi purami madugi IGP do na Madan Gopal ni aduga Deputy Commissioner matam da akoi Helim Chaudhuri ni hariba akoi function na si tawna bkhana pada Bharat ki Home Ministry lagi DG amasung Chief Secretary na Akoigi Masi Togunu Haibada Yadadana Akoigi Telegram Tarkbatuda Mayam Hainariba Akoigi Oja Yaimana Telegram to Pulaga Telegram to Moina DG Chief Secretary in the people and the Yaimana Alimuddin the Pahalaga Adagi Yap Alimuddin Amadu Akoigi Mun Yenga Suju Nashalaga Ada State of Tadagi Aidana Adumaina Moina, a thing but do Sutton Bokana Maduda, DG Chief Secretary in a high Alimuddin. Yaragati Tapi the Munapai Madam di Masidi Mongomni Mongomda Sarkano, but Lakwada Mongomda, Sim Minister Leibakki, Punta Paisi, or Mongoni, I don't know, Alimuddin High.